So good morning. As you can see, our sweet and cute girls from class 9B, right? So their excitement is in a like 10th level. Very good. I like to congratulate them and all the best for demonstrating your model. So it's all ours now. Come on, continue.
So first introduction will be given by Milena.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to show you a very interesting eco-friendly model of nuclear power plant. So first I would like to introduce my teammates. Um, Myself Melina. She's Rosie. She's Shabnam and Yakshi. So and with this uh, our explanation will start. So first explanation will do by Rosie with topic power and energy.
The topic power and energy. Power is the capacity to do work and cause changes. And energy is the rate at which the work is done. So the what so now what is nuclear power plant? And that part will be explained by Shabnam.
So let us know what is the working of the nuclear power plant. So let us know what is the working of the nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plant is a reactor that uses heat to produce fission, to boil water and pressurize steam, something that is put into pressure to make it into water vapor, and we can also produce electricity through it. But what is fission and how can we produce electricity through it? This will be explained by Rosie.
So, what is nuclear fission? Nuclear fission is the splitting of uh, heavy atomic nucleus into smaller nuclei to release a large amount of energy. And with this energy, we produce electricity with the all models present here. First, we use turbine to rotate the fan, and then with that, the water is steamed, and with that steam, the electricity is produced. Now, Pyakshi will explain you guys about the turbine building and the switchgear building.
Okay. So let us understand how turbine building work in the model. Um, it's it's steam and rotate a small fan with the help of motor and a switch. And what is the use of switch gear? Switch building. It's control, protect and isolate electrical equipment, ensuring safe and reliable power distribution of electricity. Now Milena will explain about transmission line.
It is a specialized conductor or structure mm, to design to guide electrical energy um, over long distance with minimal loss. Now Rosie will explain you guys cooling building.
Now, what is the work of cooling tower? The cooling tower helps in cooling the reactor that is being heated, and then the cooling tower uses the same water and it has been reused, so there is no waste of water. Now, Shabnam will explain you guys about what is auxiliary building and what is containment building.
So containment building is a super. This is the containment building, and it is a super strong steel structure like concrete and steel. It is used to uh, store the waste, and its main job is to stop the radioactive gases or materials to escape from escaping into the environment. And what is auxiliary building? Auxiliary building in a nuclear power plant is like a support building or backstage areas that um, that uses energy to produce electricity, and it has many systems for managing waste and storing new fuel. So now Yakshi will explain you guys what is Radwest building. This is a Radwest building, and Radwest building is a specially designed building to safely process and treat to temporarily store the various types of solid, liquid, and gases by product zinc. And now Milena will explain you about the diesel generator building.
The diesel generator building has diesel generators that give emergency electricity emergency electricity if the main power support fails. The diesel generator will automatically start. Uh, it it used to run cooling, and that much only. Rosie.
Now, what is access control building? This access control building is specially designed by physical materials like fences, barriers, and specialized conductors. This control building first checks all the materials that is present here, the turbine buildings and the switchgear building. This access control bar has all the access for all these models, and this access control bar also helps in protecting the other materials from getting wasted. And from that from that all the material all the models get protected and they are safe, and we can use it, and we can use it again.
Oh, very good.